Hello there, I'm Kay Montano, Chanel makeup artist. Welcome back to beauty school. Today I'm going to be talking about how to get glowy makeup even if you've got dry skin. One of my favourite products for skin prep is the Hydra Beauty Camellia Water Cream. It has this light reflective quality, so it hydrates the skin but not so much that makeup doesn't adhere. One of my pet hates is an overly moisturized face before makeup because makeup won't stay. I love all of the new technology which merges skincare with makeup. And one of my favorite products is this Le Beige Complexion Touch Foundation. The micro bubbles are sort of released. And so you've got the serum and the foundation at the same time. And I love this product because it's really, really sheer. Can you see how that's really lifted my skin? Now we're coming to one of my favorite all-time Chanel products, and that is the Le Beige Bronzing Cream. This is fantastic. There isn't one makeup artist you'll find who doesn't have this in her kit. It goes on really smoothly. It has the appearance of a powder, but it goes on like a cream, which means that it's so easy to blend. For dry skin, I love to use cream blush. I find it the most natural looking. You can use it with your finger, and you can also apply it to your lips and your eyes or wherever else you want to use it. Chanel have got this wonderful new blusher. I'm using Rose Ardent here, and this is such a fantastic blush. It's cream and powder. As you can see, this doesn't diminish the luminosity in my skin. Knowing where to place each product is very important. So obviously with contour, we're following the shape of your natural contour. Blusher, on the other hand, goes a little bit higher. It goes on the apple of your cheek, and sometimes I even bring it right up because it gives a sort of youthful look. Where do you place highlighter? It should be right here where your cheekbones come up the most. Nowhere near your T-zone, only here and here. And then from here, you can place it in other areas like your eyes. And this will make your skin look even more hydrated. Skin prep is so important, not just for creating glowy skin, but also as a base for any makeup that you do. When I'm doing actresses for the red carpet, I always begin with a really, really glowing face because I find that I can go further with the eye makeup or with lipstick because the skin looks so healthy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you picked up lots of great tips for creating glowing makeup for dry skin.